Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time that you're seeing my video, passing across my video, please don't forget to comment, share and like. Today I'm going to talk about the reason why many white people and Chinese are very imitative towards Jamaican Patois language. And I'm going to share with you some clip that will show you the reason why I'm saying that many white people and many Indians are very imitative towards Jamaican language. And I'll be back with more comment after watching my video.
You sound white Jamaican.
Yeah.
You white Jamaican.
Anything you want, say, brother.
I ain't never met a white Jamaican. That's crazy.
We're outside.
Jamaica me crazy. Bullet!
I'm Chinese Jamaican, Bermudian. My mom is Chinese Jamaican, and then my dad is Bermudian.
What's up, guys?
What is your name?
What kind of question you ask me? You don't know my name long time already. We can't put my name on the internet, girl. What's wrong with you?
Where are you from?
I come from Jamaica. We come from the western part of Jamaica. We can't really tell you where we come from down there though, because we don't know where we come from.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
Well, I like all kind of food. Anything they make in Jamaica, I like ackee and saltfish. With a piece of fried pork in it. Can't beat that.
More time we see people on TikTok or whatever social media and then white and they speak Patois. And when I say, what? They know Patois very well. So a while ago I see this little white guy walk past me and he speak Patois. Okay, 19-year-old young man walking by me. We're in Boston. And I was like, did he just speak Patois? So I said, wait, are you Jamaican?
Yeah,
are you
gone.
So where in Jamaica do you live?
Kingston, like Jackson, Kingston 6.
Where were you born?
St. Andrew Hospital.
My goodness. Where? Where is St. Andrew Hospital? Jamaica, right?
Yeah, Kingston.
Man. Kingston. And where do you go to school?
American school.
Yeah. Give a little patois, man. Give a little patois.
Yeah, so we're there in our airport, both for Scotland thing live, and you know how I go.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Bye, auntie. Bye, uncle. Take care. Safe flight.
Great. Come on, from the board. Come on, from the board. Don't drop your foot. You know, my great grandfather is from England. Yeah. And we're not interested in going to England.
Mind game. You say that in the England thing, burn up Babylon.
Yeah, England, them mad people.
Are your grandfather come from there?
Yeah. But in change up with the German them. And when you go to Canada, and you tell them say from Jamaica, they expect say, a few black people, dark people come from Jamaica. It's a one set of pussies them, not true.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I never know the straight nose man there.
Yeah. And when this hard Patois,
here.
I'm going to be a joke.
Yeah.
My son up, live up Canada now, he go to college and everything up here and live over 5-6 years now up there. And he never can go down to Toronto. So then go to one club.
Yeah.
And then see some Jamaican. And they tell him, say, yo, I'm a Jamaican, yeah. He said, no, I'm a imitate the Jamaican. And they want to fight. They want to fight them. Want to fight my nephew and my son.
Wow.
Because him a trick them.
If him know who your foundation in Jamaica, yeah.
And he start talk, if Patois now, he said, bomba clot, this man a Jamaican for true.
Mind game, them. Mind game, man.
Yeah.
Brother, I never know said this was going to be a whole thing. So, my mother is Honduran and Jamaican. My father is Chinese and Indian Jamaican. Me put the Chinese in my bio because it's what I look like. Everybody are gonna identify me first as Chinese, not Jamaican. But when me identify to people and people hear me talk, them are gonna be like, oh, she's Jamaican. So there you go. So basically, yeah. And for the people who want to be like, well, Jamaican people listen, brother, the amount of mix-up people there Jamaica exhibit, hey, like, if somebody tell you say them Jamaican, point blank period.
I mean, over here, so breeze, people if you come in here and chat fuckery.
But at the same time, I'm all about free speech, so you can chat and say whatever you want to say. But imagine if me say something like this. Black people if you come in our way and chat Norwegian. Oh. Like what you would I tell the Chinese people them in Jamaica? What happened to the white people born in Jamaica? All in all, you know. People are going to feel what they want to feel. But that not really matter.
Not being Jamaican has really hurt my feelings because I was told my skin tone makes me not Jamaican.
Every time James and I make TikToks, we just get like a bunch of people telling us that we're not Jamaican, which is fine. Like, you can have your own opinion. The only problem I have is where else do I claim? I was born here.
Did you experience a lot of racism growing up white in Jamaica? Very minimal. But I do remember one very racist moment. I couldn't have been more than 6. A fellow classmate, a very young girl at the age of 6 as well, would sing to me, "Black is beauty, red is corruption. Black is beauty, red is corruption." Now that I'm 40, I realize how deep that actually went. To think that here is this young girl, and she's been taught by her parents to sing black is beauty and red is corruption. And that's also an important lesson to teach your children, because racism ends with you.
Salam alaikum, y'all. So, I don't know if you realize it, but there's been a bit of cuss over who is a Jamaican, who's not a Jamaican, what is a Jamaican. I just wanted to give the answer to that question. First things first, it seems that a lot of you never learn the difference between race, nationality, and ethnicity. That being said, it's very simple. Nationality is where you hold citizenship to, aka where you have a passport. The thing about a nationality is it's not stagnant. People are born in countries and leave those countries all the time, giving up one nationality for another. As it stands, I hold a Jamaican and US nationality. Tomorrow, I could easily become Italian British. Maybe not easily, but you know what I mean. Next is ethnicity. These are the cultural traditions, the language, the values that belong to a certain people group. Now, the thing about ethnicity is every ethnicity operates differently. For Jews, it's passed down matrilineally. So if your mother was Jewish, then you are Jewish. But for our Somali brothers and sisters, if your father is Somali, then you are Somali. Your ethnicity may also determine the languages you speak, the religions you practice, the cultural traditions you believe and hold dear. And then there's race, which out of the three holds very little weight. Because what might be considered black in one country is considered brown in the next and colored in another. Never forget that the Irish, the Italians, the Polish, when they came to the United States of America at various points in time, were not considered white, but today are. That being said, the island of Jamaica was first inhabited and settled by the indigenous people known as the Taino. They were the ones, after all, who gave the island the name Jamaica, meaning the land of wood and water. The island was then colonized by Spaniards from Spain, and with them came the Sephardic Jews from Portugal, as well as the first set of Africans that they would have enslaved. Shortly after, the British took control of the island and increased the amount of Africans being brought, but along with the British came the Welsh, the Scottish, and the Irish. By the time you hit 1838 and slavery is officially abolished, the British are now importing Chinese and Indians to Jamaica to replace the labor shortage. The first Indians arriving in 1845, the first Chinese arriving in 1854. And given that every generation is roughly 30 years, I think we can do the math to establish how many generations from the first people landed to now have been in this country. And of course, I cannot forget the Syrians who came to the island of Jamaica seeking refuge from the Ottoman Empire. Nor could I forget the poor Germans of Seaford Town that were brought to the island of Jamaica to buffer between the black and white populations. And although you won't hear the average Jamaican on the street using terms like African Jamaican, Asian Jamaican, you'll definitely hear him say words like the coolie man, the Chinese man, or the nigger man. I hope that clears everything up. Salam and walk good.
So guys, welcome back. I believe you have seen the videos where I tell you many white people and Indians are very imitative towards Jamaican language. Some of them, they are being like their parents are Jamaican. Some they are just interested in knowing the language, and that motivates a lot. And also when you go through the reason why they are very imitative, they love the Jamaican, because Jamaican is a very good language. Jamaican, they are good people, and majority of the people are black people, and that's the reason why people see like white people are, and Indians are they're just imitative. They are just going there to imitate their language. because majority of the people of Jamaicans are black. And this because during the colonial period, a lot of people were taken to Jamaican just like slaves. And then after they are being slaves, they saw that we just need to be Jamaican, and that's the reason why you get a lot of people are black and they are Jamaican. But British and other people are very minimal because they just came to intermarry, some intermarriages, and that intermarriages, it motivates a lot, it encourages a lot many people to know how to speak like Jamaican. So guys, I believe that you have seen the reason why many white people and many Indians are very imitative in Jamaican language. Jamaican is a very good place. That's why you get many people visiting there, and that's why you come across many Indians very imitative because of during the time of colonization, many Africans, many black people were taken there to work as slaves. After working there as a slave, it reached a point where they started not working again because they see like, no, we have to be our own, to do our own businesses and do our own work. That's why you get some white men went there, and that's the reason why you get they live there and start working there, and you get they know how to speak like Jamaican. You get the intermarriages, and after intermarriages you get, that's why they are white but they are Jamaican, and that's a very good thing also. Jamaican is a good place. That's why many people love to visit there. Jamaican, you get, is a good language and they have good vibes. That's the reason why you get many Indians, many white people visiting there. But majority of the people are black. And that's why you get many people not believing that white people are also Jamaican. But because of the intermarriages and due to the colonial period, that's the reason why they interacted and to get them speaking Jamaican. And many people love, when you meet with a Jamaican person, you will be proud to talk about his country, and they love their country so much. They cannot speak bad about their country. They speak positive vibes towards their country, and that encouraged many people to like to visit the countries, to like to know and visit their country because of the good vibes, because of the good climate, because of the good welcoming. I believe that you have seen the video, and don't forget to comment, share and like. See you in the next video, please. And also I'll be waiting for your comment at the comment section.